folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I am going to do a product comparison for you guys on the Roby EPA wood cook stove line. So I've done quite a few other videos on the Roby cook stoves, product overviews, technical overviews, cooking, baking, and temperature readings, as well as comparing these models with other cook stoves as well. So if you're interested in the Roby line, be sure to check out those other videos as well. Now today I am going to cover the differences in the Roby EPA cook stove line. There are a total of 6 different models in their EPA cook stove line, and basically 3 major differences between the models. The major difference, which I'm just going to point out right off the bat, so here, this is the Chief model. The Chief model is on the pedestal base, okay? If we had the matching Circio model, which would be its direct comparison, it would look like this, but it would have the attached side water reservoir. Okay, so the differences between the 2 different models essentially are the pedestal base. You either have a pedestal base here on the bottom. Now, this opens up to be the same ash pan here. Okay, so you don't really get any like extra larger drawer or anything like that down there. So I want to clarify that because some people will think that. The model on the pedestal base is only black, okay? So only black on the doors and only black on the pedestal base, but it always comes standard with chrome handles and chrome corners. I do want to point out, you'll see a color difference here between the 2 models. That is not standard. This color, where it's kind of like a lighter black, where that looks to be darker and more shiny. This is the standard Roby stove. This one, we actually had to repaint to do a repair on it. And so because of the repaint, we decided to go with a polished, because I think it looks pretty nice, and I also just wanted to do a video for you guys on how to do a custom paint job, so you can check out the custom paint job on this model. But this is not standard, so both models would be in this color. The major difference also between the pedestal model and the leg model is going to be the shape of the door. So this has an arch at the top, so to me it looks a little bit more like traditional with the arch. And then over here, these doors are always just going to be like the flat square on the top. This is shown in the chrome option. So again, only the leg model is going to be available in the chrome option, and the full chrome doors are no longer available. Those were discontinued like quite a while ago, like maybe 2015 or 16. So now the LX model has the chrome on the interior of the door and black on the outer, and then chrome legs, and then the same chrome handles and corner decorations. Other than that, they are literally the same stove. So you can get it either fully loaded. This is basically fully loaded with the water reservoir and the warming oven. This is just kind of standard with the warming oven, no water reservoir. And then you can also choose to remove the warming oven, which would just be the flat stove, you know, with no backsplash and no upper warming oven. Cook plate options, I'll go ahead and show you those up close. I do have the enamel cook plates on this model. I love the cook plates. Unfortunately, they are like currently discontinued, not available. As of right now, it is June 2021. Due to COVID, massive back orders and material shortages, unfortunately, we cannot get those items, but we're hoping to have them available in the future. So it is an option that you can add at a later date. So that is definitely something to keep in mind there. These brackets on the side, these will always also be chrome. You can get like a chrome decorative mirror that just sits on the top of the stove. That's purely just decoration. Otherwise, the functionable options are going to be the side water reservoir and the top warming oven. And then the only other differences are literally just the aesthetic. So it's like, do you like the pedestal base that extends to the floor, or would you prefer it to be up on legs? You can get this model in all black with black legs and a full black door as well. And then again, the corners of the stove do stay chrome. A couple things I want to point out on the topic of the cook plates. People ask, like, do you still have the removable lid? And you do, yes. However, because of the baffle system located at the top of the stove, you cannot like remove the lid and drop a pan down there for wok style cooking, because the baffle and the reburn tubes are going to block your direct flame access to the stove. So definitely keep that in mind. So I really hope that you guys found this product comparison helpful. I love the J.A. Roby Cookstoves. They actually have one of the best warranties in the industry. It's a 20-year limited lifetime warranty. Not really anyone else comes close to competing with that. So that says a lot about their product. They're built well and they really do stand behind their product. So if this overview was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click subscribe in that corner of the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.